Find features that distinguish it from other brands for Arcade Vision Projector, Arcade Vision Retro Projector, Console Projector with retro games, and why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because the ultimate gift for every gamer. Our Arcade Vision Projector is the pinnacle of nostalgic entertainment, designed to captivate both die-hard gamers and casual players alike. With its advanced emulation capabilities, support for over 36,000 games, and easy Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, it's not just a favorite among retro enthusiasts, it's the envy of all gamers. Auto Keystone Correction for perfect alignment. Equipped with Auto Keystone Correction technology, the retro gaming console projector automatically adjusts the image for optimal viewing, even when projecting at an angle. Combined with manual focus, it ensures sharpness and precision. Whether you're projecting up or down, this feature corrects image distortion in real time. For side projections, use the remote control for further adjustments. Crystal clear HD display up to 100 inches. Take your gaming to the next level with a stunning visual experience on the big screen. Transform any wall into your new gaming space, making it perfect for game nights, parties, or immersive solo play. Cinematic quality with 4K, 1080p support. With a native resolution of 1280x720 and support for full HD 4K videos, this console projector delivers stunning visuals with a high dynamic contrast ratio of 10,000:1. The 50% zoom function and low noise level, down to 25 decibels, create an optimal environment for your home theater. It's the perfect companion for movie nights, presentations, or gaming marathons. Note: remote control batteries are not included. Unlimited entertainment at home. Retro projector transform any room into an entertainment hub with 14 built-in emulators and thousands of titles. This makes it ideal for family gatherings, parties, and everyday enjoyment. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.